Okay, so hey guys, I'm back, and okay, I know it might seem really weird that after so many years I'm posting a video. Yes, it has been years, but yeah, I am back, and I feel like I owe you guys an explanation for why I have posted a video after such a long time and why I have deleted all my YouTube videos. Yes, I've done that. Actually, I've not deleted them, I've set them on private. So before I begin with all of that, let me just give you guys a little explanation of what we're doing here today. Right now I'm in Haridwar, but I was not originally in Haridwar. Basically, from Bangalore we took a flight, we landed in Delhi. From Delhi we came to Haridwar, and this is day 3 of our trip. What we're basically gonna do, how we're gonna go about the trip. Basically, we're doing a road trip. So we're right now in Haridwar. From Haridwar we're gonna go to Rishikesh, and then from Rishikesh to Mussoorie, and then from Mussoorie we're going to Jim Corbett, and then from Jim Corbett to Nainital, and then from Nainital to Delhi, and then we're gonna take a flight, reach back to Bangalore. So that's basically the roadmap of this trip. So then we started our road journey, which was only 30 minutes. When I looked closely at the images that were hanged, I realized that Hema Malini has also been to this resort. So there were images of food in the elevator, and this is basically a traditional mithai. I'm not really sure, and that is the Pahadi Thali. I'm gonna close the door. Seriously, it's like nobody wants me to vlog today. Whenever I'm trying to vlog, people are talking. Okay. No, seriously, like I'm trying to vlog and then people are just talking. So when you enter, this is so beautiful. I think it's cute, and I think this is an area either to sit or maybe to put your luggage. It smells really fresh, to be honest. I love the smell here. Here is the bar. Whoa! Like an Indian touch to the bathroom. I like it. Okay. Oh, let me open it. We pull this, and whoa, I like this. This is so aesthetic. You have shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner. We have a makeup mirror. That's what I call it. I call it a makeup mirror. So yeah, hi. So we have tissue box, and we have some amenities which you're probably not interested in. So yeah, I think that's it. Oh, we have a room here. I got surprised by it. Sorry. We have a closet. Oh shit, I was opening it in the wrong way. We have a safe, that's important. We have some slippers, 2 pairs of slippers. Let's close. Whoa, okay. We have a really beautiful picture over here. Really, I mean it. It's really pretty. And what's this? What's this? It's a gift jar. But oh, what is this? No, like a box in here. What's this? Whoa. Really? OMG. Desi Gulab Himalayan face oil. What is this? Is this like a moisturizer? Face Upton And we have a soap bar. Oh my god! Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! This is a really kind gesture. Wow! Oh my god! And we also have this box, which we'll get into later, but we need to complete the room tour. We even have some snacks. Over here. Whoa! These are complimentary, and this is a guest booklet with all the information, I think. Complimentary services, chargeable services, water sport options, sightseeing, jungle safari, and everything. Whoa! Wait. Okay, we won't lose our key. And we have a seating arrangement here and a mirror. So here we have a mini fridge and a jar of cold water is right here waiting for us. Our room comes with a really large TV, and if you guys didn't notice, it's a smart TV with Netflix, Disney Plus, Hotstar, YouTube, and Prime Video. That will really help me entertain myself. Complimentary snacks, the gift box. I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. Okay, so you remember how I was telling you guys that I didn't know what this was? Now I don't know. So basically this is tea, and it includes, the ingredients are nettle leaf, lemon peel, chamomile, veena tulsi, lemongrass, lavender, spearmint, marigold, and its benefits are that it promotes sleep and treats insomnia. I have insomnia. Reduces muscle spasms and period pain. Whoa! Relieves anxiety, relieves bloating, and balances hormones. So this is gonna be really helpful. So let me show you the view outside. We have the view of beautiful mountains, and that over there is the jacuzzi. It's not a private jacuzzi, but it's over there. And we even have the view of Ganga. It's so pretty. Oh, shit. How do I open this? Ooh. Try these snacks that we got. Let's try the cookies first, as expected by me. Sorry. Oh, they're really soft. Excuse me. This is number one, really yummy. If you like naan katai, you will absolutely love this cookie. It's so sweet. It's so delicious. I love this. It's like, and after you chew it all, there's a slight taste of salt also. So it's just beautiful. You have to try this. It's really good. Mathe matri. Arey wow. Matri. I'm gonna finish all this. Yummy. I'm a very messy eater, sorry. How do I break this without being messy? I'm just gonna break it. Yummy. Hey guys, so we have booked palmistry for me for 5 to 6 p.m. So, like in between those timings, the palmistry person will come and read my hand. Currently 1:58, and we're gonna go for lunch in like 12:30. I'm just gonna change my clothes, freshen up a bit. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is what I'm wearing. I did my lips and yeah, I'm wearing this. Actually, this is meant to be like a crop top types, but I've put this a little up. Let me fix that. This is how it's supposed to be, and yeah, I like my outfit. I like it. So when you enter the restaurant, you're welcomed by the beautiful murtis of Lakshmi Ma and Ganesh Ji. Here is where they put the buffet, which is for dinner and breakfast. The weather was so hot, so obviously I was gonna order lemon soda, and you can look at the bubbles, so cute. And let me assure you, this was so satisfying and yummy to drink, especially when it's so hot outside. So, as for lunch, I ordered sandwiches which came with potato wedges, and I have a thing for sandwiches. I love them. Guys, the potato wedges are really good and really crispy, although I prefer them soft. And the vegetable sandwich is just so delicious, full of mayonnaise, really cheesy, but also with a lot of veggies, so it's actually really good. And I like my food. If you want to eat outside, staring at the Ganga, the beautiful Ganga Maya, that is also possible, but we didn't sit outside because it was actually really hot, and as you can see, nobody was sitting outside in this weather. So I just dipped my tulsi mala in Ganga Jal, and it felt really beautiful. There's one droplet here also, and my hands are also wet. Okay, I absolutely love this murti of Ganga Maya. It adds a beautiful touch to the whole ghat, I must say this. We're going for my palm reading. Guys, we're going for my palm reading, and I'm feeling so nervous. Oh, trust me, I've never felt this nervous, even while getting like an injection or something. So, calm down, calm down. Okay, so I just got, I would say palmistry. I changed last minute. I did astrology. So I'm not gonna tell you guys what happened and what he said, because for privacy reasons, because whatever he said was actually really very true, and there were some things about my future too, so maybe they will also be true, because what he said about me was hella true. So yeah, I mean, now I'm just outside here relaxing, and at 6:30 we're gonna go for Ganga Aarti. So yes, and I'm sitting alone here, and like, you know, it's the time at these when you look at nature and then you start to, like, you know, really appreciate nature. Let me show you what I'm seeing right now. This is what I'm seeing, and it's all really pretty. I'm just walking here because mosquitoes are really biting me, and we're waiting for the Ganga Aarti to start. I can see the Pandit ji here, and one good thing is that this entire resort, they have their own temple of Ganga Maiya.
लोकाशान्यभयशानि अग्निः प्रजां बहुलां तयोर्वन्दं तयोर्यजमाजुदत्ता ॐ जय गङ्गे माता मैया जय गङ्गे.
Okay guys, as you can see, tika lag chuka hai, and behind me is the temple, but the aarti didn't happen in the temple. It happened down right near the Ganges. मैं Ganges नहीं बोलूँगी, I'm gonna say गंगा मैया. तो घाट पर हुआ था. एंड ये जो होटल है ना, इनके पास अपना खुद का घाट है, एंड इट्स ओनली फॉर द होटल पीपल. एंड वहाँ पर इतना ब्यूटिफुल हुआ था. एंड मैं, यू गाइस मस्ट हैव नोटिस दैट आई डिडंट शो यू द इंटायर पूजा. वो बिकॉज इसलिए था कि भाई मैं व्लॉगिंग करती हूँ या भगवान में ध्यान लगाती है ना. तो जहाँ जहाँ पर थोड़ा हुआ वहाँ पर मैंने किया. And they gave us, like, you know, a thali to do aarti. Each and every one of us got it separate for everyone, and it was very beautiful. They put the tika to us, and they gave us बूंदी प्रसाद. फिर हनुमान चालीसा का पाठ भी हुआ. तो शॉर्ट में बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सेलिब्रेशन, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल पूजा हुआ. और पीछे जो मंदिर है ना, आई वॉन्ट टू शो यू गाइज, बट आई कांट because I don't want to, क्योंकि it's a temple, right? I don't want to shoot in a temple, if you know what I mean, right? So राधे राधे. Nighttime is even more prettier because of the lights. So I hope you see those people walking there. That is not the part of the resort. It's like a public place, and it's separate from the resort. That is the resort's private temple, and those steps lead to the ghat, which is completely cut off from the public place. Only the resort people and the resort guests can access it. And today, surprisingly, there was very little crowd. Okay guys, I'm in the lift now, elevator, lift, whatever you call it, and now we're gonna go and eat dinner because I'm hungry. So this is what I bought back from the first trip to the buffet. We have Mexican rice, some protein, which is dal, and fiber, cucumber. So I've taken cucumbers, and you know fiber is really good. It's time to try the Mexican rice, and one thing I noticed that here we have rajma, but who knows, it might be good. Okay, so let me try some of it, and let me tell you how it is. Not bad at all. It's actually very delicious. Spicy, perfect. Loved it. The paneer is really, really soft and delicious. मुझ पे गिर गया. Guys, see, the thing is, in the buffet there are so many pahadi items, but I'm only be able to take a few because I only have this much of a stomach. Come on, I mean, it's not possible to try everything, right? So right now I'm trying pahadi dal. Ghati ki dal. It's hot. But it's really good. I don't know how to describe it. After chewing it, there's slight spiciness, but after that, when it all kicks in, it's so yummy altogether. I mean it. The buffet here is just good. Everything here is good, actually, to be honest. Okay, guys, just look at this. So much protein, so much dal in here. It's just really good. I respect this a lot. I'm gonna try this and I'm gonna tell you what it is, how it tastes. So, oh my god, this is gonna be the pan thing again. It smells like pan. Pan mera peecha nahi chhodta. I'm gonna drink it. I'm gonna confirm if it's pan, okay? This is really bitter. Hey Bhagwan, it's almost like it's an alcoholic.
Wow, this is awesome.
Complete opposites.
I love it.
No, it tastes like an alcoholic drink or something. I don't like it.
Pan flavor and pan. It's not even pan, menthol.
Menthol, but it tastes a lot like pan. Pan mera पीछा कभी नहीं छोड़ेगा. No. No offense to the people who like pan. Pan is good for health, no?
Yeah, good for digestion.
Good for digestion, and I mean to an extent it's good. मगर अगर उससे भी ज़्यादा करोगे तो वो कौन सा benefit ही देगा? Okay, so here I have the Mexican rice again, and then I took chaap biryani, which I'm gonna review right now. Chaap biryani. 3, 2. I'm really nervous. Calm down. 3, 2, 1. Yummy. Sharp. So if you guys are wondering why I made that face, like that face, it's because I have left chicken. Actually, I have left non-veg. So while eating that chop, it felt as I was chewing chicken, and then that face I made. If you look at it in a good way, it's actually really delicious. I liked it. 10 out of 10 from me, really. The most colorful dessert plate you'll ever see in this world. And I even took curd because it's good for your gut health. So I made a promise to my mom that I'll only touch the dessert plate after eating my curd. So I'm gonna do that. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna try my dessert, and I'm gonna start off with the cake toppers from my strawberry cake. Not bad at all, yeah. It's good. So see guys, I'm a very picky eater, and I took everything from the dessert area, literally. I took all the Indian sweets also to show you guys, but I'm not gonna waste anything because obviously you can't disrespect food, right? One thing I didn't take was the semia kheer. I don't like semia kheer. I'm sorry, no offense. It's just not my... I don't fancy it, okay? Now I'm gonna try the strawberry cake. The strawberry cake looks really promising, so let's try it. This is totally unexpected because it's so yummy.
What?
Strawberry cake,
milk
Mama.
cake. This is milk cake.
I'll try. Mama, ये क्या है?
फिर बेसन की बर्फी है.
I think it's like बेसन की बर्फी. Smell तो बेसन की बर्फी वाली ही आ रही है. Smell तो बेसन की बर्फी वाली ही आ रही है, guys. Let's try. मम्मा ने बनाई थी बेसन की बर्फी and it was so good. Let's try this one. बेसन की बर्फी है. Not bad. No. What is that face I made? This one is not bad. Not good. It's okay. It's nice. This one is so delicious. This one is me approved. Guys, I'm a very picky eater and I took this Indian sweet. Mama ne pucha, I asked Mama that what is this, and then she said balushahi, and I was like, it's okay, I'm gonna give it a try. It's gonna be good, right? It's just sweet, right? Like some of you watching this might be like, oh my god, like Indian sweets nahi kha rahi. She's not eating Indian sweets and she likes foreign sweets. No. My Indian sweet, my favorite Indian sweet is peda, coconut barfi. I love those things, but new things I don't like to try, okay? I'm scared.
You should try.
I should try, but I'm scared. Okay. On the count of 3, I know I'm overreacting, but this is how I am. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What if I say this is good? I liked it. It's good. It's not bad. It's good. I actually liked it. Asha guys, I'm gonna try the chocolate cake. Sweet. We only have this beautiful tiny cupcake left. Look at this beauty. Now I don't know the flavor. The green is suggesting that it's lemon. So let's try it. Let me try the icing and then I'll confirm that which cupcake is this. Lemon. Lemon. This one is also really good. So like I was telling you, these are the delicacies of Uttarakhand. We first have Pahadi aloo and kafuli. Sorry for the pronunciation, but this is what it looks like. It's really good. यहाँ पर this is भांग की चटनी and this is mint and coriander. और इसमें क्या है मामा?
ये जो पात्र है, पॉट है, इस पॉट को जो है हम भड्डू के नाम से जानते हैं, भड्डू के नाम से संबोधित करते हैं। और जो इसमें दाल बन रही है वो उस दाल को भी हम इसी पात्र के नाम से जानते हैं।
अरे भट्टू की दाल।
हाँ जी, भड्डू की दाल।
अरे।
तो इसमें जो है एक्चुअली दाल डिफरेंट रहती है। इसमें आज राजमा और चने मिक्स दाल है।
ओह।
इसकी खासियत ये है कि ये इसी में बन रही है।
2,000 years later.
वो देखते हैं रात को कैसा। अरे एक मिनट देना मुझे ब्लॉगिंग करने के लिए। बी केयरफुल यहाँ बिकॉज यहाँ पर स्टेप्स नहीं है। OMG! Look at the Ganga. I can see the Ganga. It's actually pretty visible to us. Ganga Maiya. Sorry. My bad. But look at the city over there. And guys, ये ऊपर जो lights है ना, all these lights. I'm assuming that me and my parents are assuming that it's Mussoorie, and tomorrow we are going to Mussoorie. Oh my god, guys, trust me, this is looking so beautiful. Really, I mean it. Oh my god, I've never seen something so beautiful in my entire life. Good morning, guys. We're going for breakfast and today is the day we leave for Mussoorie. Let me show you guys my plate. So this is my plate. I know it's clearly my plate because I mean you can just explain it with all of this stuff, but let's just cover that. We have some grapes, a croissant, we have a muffin and 2 aloo bondas. We're gonna first start with the fiber, with the goodness, and let's see how fresh the grapes are. Definitely crispy. Okay guys, let's try the aloo bonda. This is so good that I feel like making a vada pav with it. It's time for the lovely croissant. Then, after eating a wholesome breakfast, we were off to Mussoorie. In Mussoorie, we stayed at the Savoy Hotel. So guys, I'll see you in my next vlog of Mussoorie. Till then, goodbye and don't forget to like and subscribe.